At this company, salaries are paid not in cash, but in real gold. Each employee comes to work with a small glass flask, and on payday, they line up in a queue where the boss personally weighs the gold nuggets they have washed, carefully pouring them into the flasks. The employees are satisfied. Everything is transparent and based on merit because the gold is real. That day, everything was going as usual. The employees were standing in line and smiling as they received their tiny riches when suddenly I approached the table as a newcomer. I held out an empty flask and demanded my salary, but the boss waved me away and threw to me 3 small bags of river clay. It turned out that these bags contained river mud, but if I looked carefully, I could find grains of gold. If I succeeded, the boss promised to pay me twice as much. I agreed, and taking the bags, poured the contents into a small container, poured hot water over the clay, and began to wash it. The other workers watched with interest and were sure that I would not succeed. But a couple of minutes later, everyone froze. Golden grains began to settle at the bottom of the murky liquid. I had extracted real pure gold, which shocked everyone. Even experienced workers washed clay for hours, but I did it in just a few minutes.